Hey guys, welcome to part 3. We're so excited to show you today how to clean our floor with a steam mop. We got hundreds of comments from all our amazing followers telling us different tips and tricks on cleaning these floors. So today I went to my neighbor and borrowed her Bissell steam mop to see if it will do the trick.
All right, let's see if it works, guys. All right, so as you see here, we put a piece of tape. On this side is what we did yesterday with our floor scrubber. You can see the difference. The dirt is gone from this grout here on this side. But on this side, we didn't touch. You could see such a difference. All right, let's see if the steam mop works. Here we go.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it on and get steaming. Okay, I'm gonna give it a second to start. Okay, let's see. I don't think it's started yet.
Can you push harder, let's say?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Okay, so she's pressing firmly on there.
Guys, we really appreciate all the comments and these useful tips. We're gonna try them all.
So far, it doesn't look like it's doing anything, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a second maybe to heat up.
Okay, we'll pause it for a minute. Okay, as you see, the steam is coming out there.
It looks like
Trying
it's
to-
getting a little bit later.
Like slightly lighter, but
I'm
you
just
still
gonna do
see a big difference. Just looks kind of wet. So what I feel is that because it doesn't have these hard bristles or scrubs to go in between the lines and to get all the grout out,
I don't think it's gonna work.
I'm thinking it's not really working. Can you push down a little harder?
Okay guys, we're gonna try the scrubber later today. Hopefully it'll be here by then. And we'll post part 4 hopefully tonight.
So whoever asked us to try the steam mop, here it is. It doesn't really work, but thank you for your comments.